The Sahara Desert, a vast, seemingly endless expanse of golden sand stretching as far as the eye can see. It is a place where the sun blazes down with relentless intensity, and the temperature can soar to unimaginable heights during the day, only to plummet to freezing lows at night. A place of scorching sun and endless sand. The Sahara is not just a desert, it is a world unto itself, a realm of extremes where life clings to the edges of survival. The dunes shift and change with the wind, creating an ever-changing landscape that is both beautiful and treacherous. But listen closely. Amidst the dunes, a whisper travels. It is the sound of the wind, carrying with it the secrets of the desert. The wind shapes the dunes, carves the landscape, and carries the stories of the creatures that call this harsh environment home. A fleeting glimpse, a flash of oversized ears. These ears belong to one of the desert's most remarkable inhabitants. The Fennec fox, with its large, bat-like ears, is perfectly adapted to life in the Sahara. These ears are not just for show, they serve a vital purpose in helping the fox regulate its body temperature and detect the faintest sounds of prey. This is the Fennec fox, the smallest of all canids, yet a master of desert survival. Despite its diminutive size, the Fennec fox is a formidable survivor. It navigates the vast desert landscape with ease, using its keen senses and agile body to find food and avoid predators. How does this tiny creature thrive in one of Earth's most unforgiving landscapes? The answer lies in its remarkable adaptations. The Fennec fox has evolved to survive in the extreme conditions of the Sahara. Its thick fur protects it from the scorching sun during the day and the freezing cold at night. Its large ears help dissipate heat and allow it to hear the faintest sounds of insects and small animals, which make up its diet. The Fennec fox is a testament to nature's ingenuity, perfectly adapted to withstand the challenges of its environment. Its paws are covered in thick fur, providing insulation from the hot sand and giving it traction as it moves across the dunes. Its kidneys are highly efficient, allowing it to survive on very little water, extracting moisture from the food it eats. Its story is one of resilience, resourcefulness, and an uncanny ability to make a home in the harshest of places. The Fennec fox digs burrows in the sand, creating a cool refuge from the heat of the day. These burrows are not just shelters, they are complex networks of tunnels that provide protection from predators and a place to raise their young. Join us as we delve into the captivating world of the Fennec fox, uncovering the secrets behind its survival and the vital role it plays in the delicate balance of the desert ecosystem. The Fennec fox is not just a solitary survivor, it is an integral part of the desert community. It interacts with other wildlife, from insects to birds to larger mammals, each playing a role in the intricate web of life that sustains the desert. By understanding the Fennec fox, we gain insight into the resilience of life in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. So, come along on this journey, and let the whispers on the wind guide you through the wonders of the Sahara and the incredible story of the Fennec fox. The Sahara, a vast ocean of sand, stretches across North Africa. Temperatures soar during the day and plummet at night. Water is scarce. Life here is a constant struggle. Yet the Fennec fox thrives. Its small size, about the size of a domestic cat, is an advantage in this harsh world. Their sand-colored fur provides excellent camouflage, helping them disappear amongst the dunes. But their most distinctive feature, their extraordinarily large ears, are the key to their survival. These ears are not just for show, they are finely tuned instruments, detecting the faintest sounds of prey and helping to regulate body temperature. The Sahara Desert is a land of extremes. Temperatures can exceed 120 degrees Fahrenheit during the day. The sun beats down relentlessly, baking the sand and pushing most animals to their limits. Water is scarce, found only in scattered oases or from the food they eat. Yet the Fennec fox has adapted to survive these brutal conditions. Their pale, sandy fur reflects sunlight, helping to keep them cool. They are masters of water conservation, obtaining most of their moisture from their food. Their kidneys are specially adapted to minimize water loss. Every aspect of the Fennec fox's anatomy is geared towards desert survival. Their thick fur insulates them from both the scorching heat of the day and the surprising chill of the desert night. Their paws are covered in thick fur, protecting them from the burning sand and providing traction on the shifting dunes. Their small size and compact body minimize their surface area, reducing water loss through sweating. They pant, much like dogs, to regulate their body temperature, but it is their remarkable ears that truly set them apart. The Fennec Fox's ears are its most striking feature. Proportionately, they are the largest of any canid, measuring up to 6 inches long. These oversized ears are not just for show, they serve a vital purpose in the desert environment. The large surface area of the ears is covered in a network of blood vessels. As blood circulates through these vessels, heat is radiated away from the body, helping to keep the fox cool. These sensitive ears also act as acoustic amplifiers, picking up the slightest sounds of prey moving beneath the sand. As the sun sets and the desert cools, the Fennec fox awakens. They emerge from their burrows, their large eyes gleaming in the moonlight. The desert night is their domain, a time to hunt and socialize under the cover of darkness. Their nocturnal habits help them avoid the extreme heat of the day. The cooler temperatures conserve precious energy and water. Under the starry sky, they dance across the dunes, their movements quick and agile, their large ears twitching, listening for the slightest rustle of prey. Fennec foxes are opportunistic omnivores, eating whatever the desert provides. Their diet consists primarily of insects, such as grasshoppers, locusts, and beetles. They also hunt small rodents, lizards, birds, and their eggs. Their keen sense of hearing allows them to locate prey hidden beneath the sand. They use their powerful legs and sharp claws to dig with surprising speed and agility. Their large ears also help them to pinpoint the location of their prey, even in complete darkness. Fennec foxes are highly social animals, living in family groups of up to 10 individuals. These groups typically consist of a mated pair and their offspring from multiple litters. They are fiercely territorial, defending their burrows and foraging grounds from rivals. Family members communicate with a variety of barks, yips, and growls. They also use scent marking to define their territory. The dominant male and female are responsible for leading the group, finding food, and protecting their young. Communication is key to survival in the harsh desert environment. Fennec foxes have developed a complex repertoire of vocalizations to communicate with each other. Their calls range from high-pitched barks to low growls, each conveying a specific message. Barks are often used as alarm calls, warning others of potential danger. Yips and whimpers are used by pups to communicate with their parents. Growls are used to express aggression or defend their territory. These vocalizations, combined with scent marking and body language, help maintain social bonds and ensure the survival of the group. Life in the desert is a constant struggle for survival. Fennec foxes face numerous threats, both natural and man-made. Predators such as eagles, owls, jackals, and snakes pose a constant danger, particularly to young pups. Habitat loss due to human encroachment and climate change is an increasing concern. The illegal pet trade also poses a significant threat, as Fennec foxes are often captured from the wild for their exotic appeal. The Fennec fox, with its oversized ears and captivating gaze, is a symbol of resilience and adaptation. They are a vital part of the desert ecosystem, playing a crucial role in controlling insect populations and providing food for larger predators. It is our responsibility to ensure their survival. By supporting conservation efforts, raising awareness about the illegal pet trade, and mitigating the impacts of climate change, we can help protect these unique and fascinating creatures for generations to come. Let us be guardians of the whispers, ensuring that the Fennec fox continues to dance across the dunes of the Sahara.